Hey guys, today I'm doing a quick makeover under a maple tree because last year I planted some plants and well, they are not getting enough sun. So let me show you what I found and I'm very excited to plant these. So under this massive maple tree, I put this little ring here. And last year I planted some sombrero sangria cone flowers. There's one there and there's one over here. Now, this is an interesting spot because the sun kind of comes in at this direction. So this one's a little bit happy. This one is shaded for a good majority of the day. So today I was out shopping and I found more heucheras. Now these can take sun or shade. So I figured they're probably going to grow the same depending on what light they get. We're going to see. It's a test. But I loved the foliage on these. These are called Primo Black Pearl heucheras. Now, what I love about them is the darkness with the color of the mulch, but the underside is like a purple color. Now, I thought that that would go well with some of the other heucheras that I have in the yard. So I wanted to do kind of like an odd grouping here. This is kind of like an oval shape. It's not a perfect circle, but I figured if you look at it this way, it's filled in, and pretty much any way that you look, you're going to see foliage. Now, I do have a spot where I'm going to be moving the cone flowers, so they will be happy somewhere else. But today, I'm just going to work on putting these 5 plants in the ground. And this is kind of an example that I wanted to show you guys that if you do a small makeover like this, you don't have to go get like a bunch of plants and try to figure out a combination. You can make a big impact with just one plant. And I was lucky to find 5, so there's that too. But they do bloom. You can see they have some stalks, so there is going to be some flowers here, but I kind of just wanted them for the leaves. I didn't really care if they bloomed. Now, I should mention, because I never mentioned this, I garden in a zone 5, and these are a zone 4 through 9. So they will do perfectly fine in here. They are considered to be an evergreen, but I didn't have good luck with that. We also had 18 inches of snow, so I assume that that probably had something to do with it. So I'm just going to plant these, and then I will give you a view of what they look like after they're in the ground. Okay, it is all done, and I don't know about my spacing, but we're close. Anyway, I got them all planted, and I love how they turned out. You might be wondering why I used a hand trowel since they are almost 1 gallon size. Well, these aren't very deeply rooted. It makes fluffy soil whenever I dig up, and I was dealing with a lot of roots, as you can imagine, with the canopy of this tree. So that point, I don't know if you can tell, but it's kind of serrated on the edge. It cut right through them, no problem. This is a Gardener's Supply potting trowel. It has been through its paces and it's not even bent. So that was my quick little makeover today. Hope you guys enjoyed this, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.